Are you wondering if these mini drones are actually waterproof? So when it comes to model names, they go under different names. So when it comes to water resistance ratings, they actually do not have any official water resistance rating. And when it comes to waterproofing, again, there pretty much isn't like any actual waterproofing on this drone. So if you're wondering if you can fly these in like rain, then again, I highly advise you against doing that, because obviously this is a very budget drone. By the way, actually, personally myself, I actually have flown it in a bit of rain, but again, it wasn't heavy, simply like basically a few drops basically dropping from the sky. So I suspect maybe if you basically have that situation as well, maybe you simply have like tiny few drops basically dropping on the drone, I do not think you will have any problems with this drone. But again, like full-blown rain, and also like me living maybe somewhere in rain, I suppose would probably destroy this drone. So again, it's definitely not waterproof. By the way, if you're looking to get this drone, I'll leave special discount link in the description where you can get it. As you see on AliExpress, you can literally get it only for a bit over $10. So again, this is what I paid, and also that's with free shipping for this price. I think this drone is absolutely insane. We have very good stability, build quality, and an overall pretty decent drone. But again, when it comes to waterproof rating, again, be careful about this drone. So it's not actually suitable for that. Anyway, good luck.